Hey guys, it's the Candid Trader. So I wanted to show you how to use these pink arrows and blue arrows that I have. They're really nice. So you're going to run into scenarios where like you get a blue here and then it only goes a little bit higher, right? That's tough. That's really hard to deal with. But we have some things that can help tell us we might be towards the top. This green box that we have, okay, this is a target zone. So if we close back below, you probably should be getting ready to get out of that trade. Okay. Now, as soon as we get our pink arrow here, we can say, okay, let's go ahead and take a short. As long as we don't start closing back above these candles here, you can pick one, this one or this one, usually one or two candles higher than your entry. And as long as we're printing pink, okay, and we're going lower, we can stay in. Now again, what else do you have? You have a 200 here moving average. We closed below and closed right back above. Okay, probably time to get out. Okay, this gave you probably about 100 points here, so it's not going to keep you in forever. Now, if you did, let's just say you did get greedy with it. Okay, you held it because we're still printing pink, still printing pink, still printing pink. You closed below and closed above again. Second close above, you better get out. It warned you already. Okay, so it gave you ample opportunity to make that 100-point swing and get the hell out after we're closing back above for the second time. Okay, it gave you a fair chance to make profit. All right, now we got our blue arrows. So we start to enter on our blue. Okay, we put our stop down here. We start rolling, start rolling, start rolling. Okay, great. So if we get into here, okay, if we close above and then close back below, that's a problem. If you notice here, we wick above, close below, no problem. Okay, our first time we close above is on this candle right here. And then we're closing above top side now. Well, we close above bottom side, you should probably start thinking about getting out. Okay, probably start to think about getting out. Now, if you were really greedy, let's see if we got help to know that we had to get out. There you go, pink arrow. Need to probably get out. But notice how we can use our other indicators to help us to say, hey man, I probably shouldn't stay in this. Now, if we keep getting blue arrows and price stays above this high right here or above this green box, sure, stay in and let it ride. But already from your entry here, you should have had about 100-point moves. You got about 100-point swing there, 100-point swing there. Okay, so you're good to go, man. This is pretty simple stuff, right? Pink arrow. Okay, great. So we're gonna get short, put our stop above the other candle. Let's see what we get. Another pink arrow. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. Okay, early warning sign, folks. Early warning sign. But we were greedy and we wanted to keep holding. Fine. Fine. Okay, we're good. This is good. We got a second leg now. You can easily put a stop right above this area here, and you should be safe. Okay, now we should be trailing orders. We're getting close to a pivot point. We should be trailing orders. We should not be closing back above the green. Let's see what we get. Okay, you're holding still. You're holding still. And you hit your pivot point. Now, if we close above the pivot, get out. As long as we keep going down, you can keep holding. You can keep holding. You can keep holding. You need to start looking to take profits. This thing's getting huge. Now, what are we looking to target? Hopefully it gets down to here, but we don't know it's going to get down to here. That's where price is attracted to, and that's where price will probably go to. So if we start to tag this area, you probably need to start taking some profits. But I mean, this thing's already given you from entry, guys. Oh, I don't know, 34, about 200 points. So if you didn't make profits off of that, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, I would probably get out on that green candle right there. I'd probably be done. And as you see, we end up going to the box. This indicator is really good. It's just you have to have some experience to use it, and um, you cannot be what I want to call it, complacent. Okay, there was no sign for us to get out here at all. It would probably take a close back above this white line or above the pivot or something to tell us to get out for sure. But what I can tell you is sometimes when you get in about 200 points of profit, they will just rip it right back in your face. Now, sure, we did have this box, this indicator, and I would love to hold it there. But let's see how I did live in the trade, because we need to verify this. This is also, by the way, on a funded account, so you know that there was actual real money on the line. Let's check it out. Let's see how I did. Okay, so here's my entries right here. I had some exits because I got scared, but then the blues are my exits, by the way. The blues are all my exits. I was able to get a micro out here in profit, 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 here in profit. So a little harder than we think it is when we're doing it in real time, right? Still was able to get plenty of money on this trade. Probably I don't know. I'm just gonna guess on it. Probably at least a $1,500 trade or more. Just holding like 4 micros. So very, very lucrative trade. Great trade. You can see I got my final one out right around this area here. So pretty good exits overall. Pretty good exits overall. Do I need to get better as a day trader? Absolutely. Absolutely. Now, if you are just by the book and you have that discipline all down, sure, you might have been able to hold it all the way to this red box, and then you would definitely need to be getting back out once we close back above this bottom side here. Or the top side's fine too. You could have waited to get out here, you could have waited to get out here, you could have waited to get out here, whatever you want to do. Just remember, you know, this system's going to give you signals when it's probably going to turn. But if you take these arrows, man, you should be able to make a lot of money. Can you automate this system? Yes, you can. But I just wouldn't know how many points in profit to take, because sometimes the trades are going to give you 100, sometimes they're going to give you 200, sometimes they're going to give you like 50. That part is up to you, and that's where you get really good as a trader. So what this system's going to do for you is kind of identify and help you identify the overall direction of the market. That's what it's trying to do for you. It's not necessarily do I take a trade straight up. Now, I did show you a way to silver bullet this, meaning like you can just take a trade straight up. So let's keep going here and see what we get. Okay, so we got out. We're done with this trade. Let's see if we can get a counter signal now. Very interesting. See, a lot of people probably would have gone long in there, somewhere in here. Okay, they would have probably gone long somewhere in here, and then it would have yanked back on them, and they'd been like, oh crap, right? I don't know if this goes high or not. I bet it's going to come up into here somewhere again, but we'll see if we get any signals to get long. Okay, looks like I took some sort of trade in that area. Did I get a short? It looks like. Yeah, I took a short, guys. I took a short in this area, and it looks like I took profit really quickly or something there. Okay, anyways, let's keep seeing it. Keep seeing it. Now, do I have discipline issues sometimes? Sure, absolutely. I do. I do. And I need to rely on my own stuff better. So let's see what we got. So blue arrow up. So we can start looking long if we want to. Stop below here. Let's see what we get. And you would have eaten your first loss right there after making shit tons of money. Okay. Okay, so we get out because we break our low here. We get into our pink short. Let's see what we get. Okay, nothing's telling us to get out yet. Nothing's telling us to get out yet. Nothing's telling us to get out yet. And I'm looking at this live with you. I don't know what happened here. Okay, so you've got a divergence low here. Bullish divergence low. So either we need to come down hard and slam through right now, or price is going to try to hold and go right back up again. You got to be out. You got to be out. We have a computer generated low here. So this computer generated low is saying, hey, we have a new low we're going to put in. This was your previous low. Here's our new low. It's going to try to push back up again. Okay, so let's just wait till we get a blue. Man, damn, that went up hard. Good thing we would have gotten out there, huh? That's what I'm saying, is you had an opportunity there. You have one loss. You have multiple winners so far. We had another one here where we could have had a winner, and if we hold just a second too long, you can get a break even or get torched. So you gotta. This is all up to you how you do that. Okay, so yeah, I mean, if we would have gotten long with our blue arrow, let's see what we've gotten. Yep, yep. Probably getting out with some profits right there. I'm probably getting out with some profits right there, guys, because you're getting in right around 50, and you were able to ride this all the way to roughly 883. So that's about a 33-point move. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let me check and see what we would have gotten for sure. 43 in the top of the move was... Oh, you'd have gotten about 40 points. That was about 40. Now, if you get out on the close, you're only going to get like 20 if you get out on that close right there. So maybe you still want to hold until you get pink. You can do that stuff, guys. Just know it's not always going to be perfect and super clean. Let's just say you kept holding it because you're like, dude, I don't got a pink yet. I'm not getting out. I'm not getting out. I don't have a pink arrow. You can do that, but get ready to be punished sometimes for that. That's that's bearish divergence right there. So I would say if we close below here, you have to be out now. Yeah, you gotta be out, dude. Or you could get torched if you don't. You can get back in right now. You can buy this. You're still holding it. Still holding it. There's no reason to get out yet. No reason to get out yet. We're going to try to hold up to here, guys. Up to that green box. Why would we not hold to there? That's where our distribution zone is. It's telling us ahead of time. Um, I personally wouldn't get out yet, and this is where it's up to you. This is where it's up to you. I'm probably not getting out yet. I'm waiting till our green box gets hit. I'm still probably not getting out yet. Okay, I'm probably done with the move. But anyway, that's probably a 200 to 300 point catch because you did take that small little amount here, but then we got you long again right in here, I believe. 898.50, and we were able to get as high as, yeah, it's about a 200 point bomb. So you see how I use this, and this is part of the reason why I'm one of the top 1% traders in the world. Um, it's not a 100% thing, though. It's not a 100% thing. I'm just trying to help you. It's not. It's a really good system, though. Anyways, I went over the time amount, and I wish I wouldn't have. But I'm going to post this to YouTube. So if you guys want more stuff, let me know, man. Later.